One big up yourself. One big up yourself. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, girl. Yeah, come to me while you're freaking. Come to me while you're freaking. Yeah.
Welcome back. So jumping into it, today I'm doing some popping eyes. This is really going to be the focus of this whole look. I really wanted to do something more dramatic today, colorful. After all, you guys been asking for that, so I said why not, let's have some fun. So as you can see, I'm just basing my eyes here. So jumping on into the first shadow, I'm using my Morphe 12B palette, and I'm taking this beautiful yellow eyeshadow, and this is going to be the first layer for our transition color. And then I go over top of that with Zakiya from my Magic palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm just kind of just tying in the two colors together because I wanted that kind of like orangey yellowy type of transition, something a little bit more on the sunset side. Then I'm going in with that red to deepen things up, and I used a smaller brush for this so I could control this color a little bit more so it could stick more into the crease. I still wanted to diffuse everything though, and then I went back over top with some of the yellow. Okay, so now I'm going into my NudeTude palette, and I'm taking this dark brown matte eyeshadow. This is sleek because I really wanted to deepen that crease. You know, I wanted it to be very intense right there. After all, this is where we're going to cut the crease, because yes, if I didn't mention before, this is going to be a cut crease look. For the base for our lids, I'm using my Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in SX12. Okay, now this, I did lighten this up with another concealer. I did lighten it with some of my tan concealer from Tarte Shape Tape. That is such a sore topic right now. Like, as you guys know, I don't wear foundation like that or anything, but to be honest, I don't think I'm gonna be using Tarte for much longer, guys. This is probably the last video I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape in. The whole foundation controversy that has happened recently, I don't know, man. But anyways, back to the tutorial. So now for our first lid color, I'm taking Kogi from the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. Then I go in with some of this orange from my 12B palette. Blend the two together. I basically just overlap the colors so they could blend nicely. Now I'm going into the inner part of my lid, the tear duct area, and I took white to just kind of just brighten up things, you know, open up the eyes a little bit more and stuff. And then I wanted to deepen the end, so I took some of that navy blue, and this is Yejide or Yejide, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. That is also from the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. And that's it for all the shadows. Now I'm just lining the eyes. I'm doing a wing liner here, and I use my Stila smudge pot for this in black. And then check out my sister. Just, yeah, she just, I don't she just always giving herself trouble. But yeah, that was it for the eyes. For now, I paused and then I move on to doing my face makeup. Now, if you guys want a detailed video on how to apply your makeup, like overall flawlessly, I suggest you check out the first link in my description box. That video will explain to you everything in detail, what to do in terms of applying your makeup flawlessly. So be sure to check that out. All right, so by the way, all the products I used in this video will be listed down below, so please check out my description box for that. All right, yeah, I'm not really dwelling on this portion too much just because I don't want to be too repetitive, and especially since I've done like a specific video for this. So yeah, just go ahead and check that out. So now we're moving on to glow, and I'm taking my Artist Couture in Sugar Daddy. This is the Illuminator in Sugar Daddy, and guys, I love this one. Like, I definitely feel like this has a more goldy type of shimmer to it. I feel like it would be very nice for darker skin tones as well, so I feel like this one is perfect for that. And I'm just glowing up all the parts of my face that I want to be a little bit more pronounced. So yeah, so now we're back on the eyes, and I'm just lining my lower waterline with my same Stila smudge pot in black, and then I smoked that out with some of the dark blue that we took for our eyes earlier, and I went on the bottom portion of my tear duct with some of Sugar Daddy as well. So yeah, we're done with that. So now we're moving on to lips. I took a regular brown liner. Any brown liner you have will do. Don't stress yourself out. All right. And for the lipstick, I'm going in with Nudish from Lena Cosmetics. This is their baby matte lipstick. Absolutely beautiful nude, and on the corners I'm using Trending Topic, and this is a brown, and I just blend everything together. And of course, you guys know I love gloss, so I topped it off with some of my Victoria's Secret lip plumper, and this is just a clear gloss. Yes, but that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me also know which other looks you want for me to do. You know, this was a requested look, so I got it out for you guys. But yeah, so that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, good. Like, you are my sister, yeah, girl. And so, hey, catch the glue on us. No. Yeah, girl. Fling one time on the camera. Yeah, catch it, catch it. Yeah, Jenna. Yeah, girl.